Hi, I am Pamela Garcia from Guatemala, Guatemala. This is lesson for week 1 of Introduction of Music Production of Coursera.com. And I am going to talk about amplitude. First of all, we need to understand the difference between amplitude and loudness. They are related each one to another, but they are not the same. The amplitude is measurable by the computer as a color in a color chart. We can divide them and call them different names, like this purple. But if I would see it out of the color chart, I could say it is a blue. Or this charcoal color. I would simply say it is a gray. And every person would have a different perception of each color. And as this, our perception of loudness is individual and therefore cannot be measurable. That is why when we are listening some music, it might come up someone asking us to turn the volume down because it is too loud for him or she, even when it is not loud for us. This perception of loudness can even change by the time of the day. For example, if I could be watching a movie at the afternoon and turn up the volume at 15 in my TV. Turn off the TV and turn it on again at the middle of the night, let's say at 3 a.m. Everyone is sleeping, there are no cars outside, no noise. And when the TV gets on, I realize the volume is at 15 as I leave it. But now it is too loud, so I have to turn it down to 3. Then I can easily realize that the same loudness at the afternoon and at the night is perceived differently even when it is the same. The loudness of our environment changes our perception of loudness, not changing the way the TV reproduces it. The amplitude is measured in decibels. In the air, it is measured in dBSPO. That means decibel of sound pressure level. And in the computer, we use dBFS. That means decibel full scale. In the air, 0 is the quietest sound we can hear. But in the computer, the 0 is the loudest sound the computer can process. Some sound louder than that will be recorded as noise. So, in the computer, you will find that the decibels count from 0 to -5, -10, -15 decibels, and so. And what you don't have to forget is that counting has nothing to do with what you are going to listen. That will depend on the volume you give to your speakers, your environment, and your ear's health, of course. Well, this is all for this class. I hope this helped you to clarify the difference between loudness and amplitude. See you next time.